Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. Today we're looking at a paper from the Hugging Face trending list published on October 29, 2025, just yesterday. It shows that adding a process mining conformance reward to group relative policy optimization boosts multi-step math reasoning, with the 7 billion model reaching 91% on Math 500 and about 46% on AIME24, while outperforming prior methods across 5 benchmarks. The paper is titled, Reasoning-Aware GRPO Using Process Mining, and as we will see later, the implications for reinforcement learning post-training are quite significant. Also, the authors shared the code on GitHub. You'll find a full THIP implementation with process mining-based reward functions, training scripts for GRPO variants, configs, and utilities, plus pre-processing, SFT, and evaluation scripts. It includes requirements and a setup script so you can reproduce experiments and compare against the non-THIP baseline. On Hugging Face, you can find the QN 1.5 billion and 7 billion THIP models, safe tensors, weights BF16 terms, required access, plus simple transformers and text generation inference usage snippets. While Figure 1 shows how the method trains a policy model by combining standard answer rewards with a process mining conformance reward. Conformance checking means comparing the student's sequence of reasoning steps to a teacher's sequence to see how closely the order matches. On the left, the policy model emits several think token traces for each query. At the top right, the rewards flow into group computation to produce advantages. The bottom right panel depicts process discovery and conformance checking that yield an F1 score. So, while Figure 1 sketched the training logic, Table 2 reports head-to-head accuracy for the 1.5 billion models across multiple math benchmarks. This table shows that PM4GRPO delivers the top scores overall with about 84% on Math 500. Still 3 peaks on AIME24 at about 29%. Graph R1 trails the field, which suggests its reward design did not translate to stronger reasoning. Alright, Table 1 shows the head-to-head results for the 7 billion models, meaning the conformance reward scales to larger capacity. Conformance here means rewarding alignment of step order between student and teacher reasoning. The proposed method leads the pack on Math 500 with 91%. It also tops OlympiadBench with 61%. Performance remains strong on AIME24 at 46%, which signals better multi-step reliability. Alright, 2 takeaways stand out. Adding a conformance reward that scores the reasoning steps, not just the final answer, consistently boosts math performance, and the gains scale from 1.5 billion to 7 billion models with solid generalization. The broader implication is clear. Process-level rewards can reshape reinforcement learning post-training toward more reliable, transparent reasoning. That is it for the AI Research Roundup. I am Alex. Thanks for listening.